In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Patreon support. By the end, you'll know the quickest path to the Help Center, how to submit a request that gets clear answers, and where to go for quick, non-private questions. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Patreon. This helps you get to the official site even if you don't have the exact URL handy. When the results appear, click the official Patreon link. Double-check that the address bar shows the correct domain and that your connection is secure, just to avoid any lookalikes. Once you're on the site, log in to your account. Using the account that's connected to your issue will help support identify your membership, billing, or creator page correctly. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. It's also helpful to have any relevant links, dates, or screenshots in mind before you move on, so you can describe the issue clearly later. After you're logged in, look for the three-dot menu or your profile icon, usually located at the top right of the page. Click it, then select the Help Center. If you don't see it in the menu, you can also find a Help Center link in the site's footer. The Help Center hosts articles that may answer your question immediately, so it's worth a quick search before contacting support. When you're ready to reach out, click Submit a Request. You'll be prompted to choose a category that best matches your situation, such as billing, account access, creator tools, or membership questions. In the description box, be specific and concise. Include what you were trying to do, what happened instead, any error messages, and links to your page or the post you're referencing. Attaching screenshots can save back and forth and speed up resolution. Avoid sharing sensitive personal or payment details in any public spaces. The request form is designed for private, account-specific information. For faster, non-private product questions, you can also message Patreon on X, formerly Twitter. This is ideal for general guidance or quick clarifications that don't involve your personal data or billing. Don't share account or payment information there. Keep those details in your private support request. If your inquiry relates to data protection or legal matters, use the dedicated privacy or legal contact addresses listed in Patreon's Help Center. Those channels are the correct route for formal requests and compliance questions. That's it. Search for Patreon, log in, head to the Help Center, submit a request with clear details, and use X for quick, non-sensitive questions. Keep an eye on your inbox and your spam folder for replies, and save any case numbers you receive for easy follow-up.